Rich Tarani here with TMC. We are at WebRTC Expo Atlanta 2014. I've got the team from IceWarp with me, and I'm going to let them introduce themselves. Your name, please?
Yeah, hello, my name is Antonin Prukal. I am CTO and manager of the development team of IceWarp. We do a solution for companies which comprise all domains of communication and collaboration and data synchronization into mobile phones and into desktop applications like Microsoft Outlook.
Excellent.
Hi, Rich. Good to be here. My name's Ian. I handle U.S. marketing for IceWarp.
Fantastic. So, gentlemen, tell me a little bit more about the company. Give me a little bit more in terms of the problems you're solving for your customers.
Well, I think Tana just covered it pretty well. I mean, basically what IceWarp does is it's a replacement for people who are running a cumbersome Microsoft environment that involves things like Exchange and Outlook. IceWarp delivers all that functionality, email, and security while being a lot easier to manage on the back end. And then it has a lot of added unified communications features like voice, instant messaging, and we were recently integrated with Cisco Unified Communications.
So is it an integration with Outlook or is it a replacement?
Both.
Yeah, actually, we have a plugin for Microsoft Outlook, which makes it possible for users of Outlook to connect to our server, and we also have a standalone replacement, the desktop client, which can be used instead of Outlook. So it's the choice of the company or of the end user.
Excellent. So how would that compare to, let's say, a Microsoft solution that they would have for UC?
Yeah, the difference is that we are trying to do everything integrated into one place, and also we are much more easier to be administered. So the usual hassle for administrators of Microsoft Exchange doesn't happen with IceWarp.
And where do the emails live? Are they in the cloud or?
Actually, no. We provide a solution for companies which they install on their premises. We have ISP customers who further provide these services to end users, so then it's in the cloud. But basically, we provide a software for companies, and it's up to them where they will install it.
So we're at a WebRTC show. I was hoping I could ask a couple questions about WebRTC and what you're showing. I know you've got a booth here. What are you showing people?
Yeah, absolutely. So there are two big recent developments as far as IceWarp goes with WebRTC. First is our online conferencing component and voice over IP utilizes WebRTC technology. We're actually going to be rolling out that update for our software in September. And then the Cisco integration that I just mentioned is heavily relying on WebRTC as well.
Excellent, excellent. Now, have you had a chance to talk to anyone at the show yet? I know it just started, so you might not have. So I've just asked that question. It's probably early, right?
Yeah, we've talked to some other exhibitors.
Any feedback about the industry, like what's happening with WebRTC?
It's been mostly casual so far, but we're looking forward to the show and showing what we have. Our booth is really neat.
Excellent. So tell me a little bit about what you do see. What I'm trying to get a sense of is I've been talking to a lot of people and just getting their feeling about the potential for the market and what's going to happen over the next few years. What do you think is going to happen with the market because of WebRTC?
Yeah, in terms of WebRTC, we actually did something similar even before. We have a Java plugin for browsers which enabled users to call from one to another within browsers. And the WebRTC definitely enables us much easier deployment than the Java plugin. So we have switched the technologies now, and we are using WebRTC component for the voice and video communication instead of the Java plugin.
Excellent. Any final thoughts?
No, we're looking forward to the show.
Excellent. Thank you so much for your time, guys.
You're welcome. Thank you.